Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vortex tutorial. So in this video I am going to design a carburetor body. I am going to follow a very intuitive and easy way to design a carburetor body. Hope you guys will like this, and don't forget to watch the video till the very end to get a very good knowledge of a solid model in Soidworks. Before we move ahead, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon and turn on the notification so that you can get all my videos and more tutorials like this. So let's start. Go to front plane, sketch, line, select first point on the origin, move on the right side, then upward, left, then upward, then on the right side, go upward, again make an arc here, go upward, and here, and made the starting point on the origin. Now go to smart dimension. This one is 100 mm. And from here to here we have 80 mm. This one is 6 mm. And this one is 14 mm automatically selected, and this one is 43 mm, and this one is 26.441 divided by 2. That comes out to be 13.22. And from here to this point, this is 8 mm. This is 8 mm, and this one is radius 8. Okay, okay, and this one we have 40 sorry, this one is 8 radius, yeah, and from this point to this point we have 8 mm. Still it's not defined actually. select this point and this arc, make relation tangent, select smart dimension, .71 actually, that is. Now our sketch is fully defined. Exit from the sketch. We forget to put in the fillets at some points. Again go to sketch, edit sketch, here choose actually fillet from here, that is 3 mm, and here at this point we are going to make a fillet, and here it is about 6 mm or keep it at 4 mm. Okay, that is cool. Okay, now go to features, revolve base, boss base, select this as the axis of revolution. You can see that it is revolving in the preview. Now select front plane again, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal. Now go to line, for construction, choose for construction, make a line upwards, that is fine, make a line upwards, choose line from here to here, make a line like this, make a point here also, here one point, and go upward. Now meet this point and this point from a line. Now go to smart dimension, from this point to this line we have 68 divided by 2, that is 34, and this one is from here to here, that is 6 mm, that is 6 mm. From this point to this line we have 12 mm. From this point to this point we have 8 mm. And from this point to this point we have 14 mm. So take line, select this point and select this point. Now exit from the sketch. Here go revolve cut, axis is already selected and profile is this which we made. Now click OK. So we have a structure like this. Now do one thing. Again select front plane, sketch, control 8 for normal. Go here under this button and switch on this wireframe mode, or switch on this one with hidden portion. Now select center line again, midpoint line, make here a line, center line, you can say that. Now select line, select this point, go on the rightward, go on the downwards, go here and meet, go here, go little bit on the left side, go downwards and make another one here like this. Let us define this. From here to here we have 14 mm. Total is of 8 mm. Now the half one will be 4 mm. Okay. And this one is 3 mm, this one. Three divided by 2, that is 1.5 mm, and from here to here that is 45 mm. This should go upward a bit. Now that is okay. Now from this line to this, the angle between this center line to this line we have is 30 mm. From this point to this point we have the dimension, that is 9 mm. And this one is from this point to this point, the dimension between this point to this line is 3 mm. Or we can say that not 3 mm, make it as 1.5 mm. That's it. Now go to line again, select this point and this point. You can always pause the video and take down the dimensions for the revolve feature. This is 30, this is 9. Now exit from the sketch, go to revolve cut, let me see where it is open. Okay, I guess this side is open. Again go to sketch, edit sketch, go to line, select this point to this point. Now it should revolve. Exit from the sketch. Now go to revolve cut, select this as axis, and you can see the preview here. It is perfectly alright. Click OK. So we wanted a feature like this. Now again select front plane, sketch, or exit from the sketch. We want to put some fillet inside. Select this outer edge and here select 2 mm of radius. Click OK. Now again go to under the fillet option, you will find an option that is chamfer. Here select this outer edge and here that is 45 degrees, and here select 1 mm. Click OK. Select front plane, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Now select line, make a line here to here, go upward, make line again here to here and upward. Make sure that this point and this point is horizontal relation, and this point is having vertical relation.